In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a product page on Shopify. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or you're a seasoned Shopify user, knowing how to make edits to your product pages is essential. It allows you to keep your product information up to date, enticing, and informative for your customers. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand side of your screen for the menu. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Products. Click on that, and it will take you to a list of all the products you currently have in your store. This list is where you'll manage and track each individual product you're selling. Next, scroll through the list, or if you have many products, you can use the search bar to find the specific item you want to work on. Once you've found the product you wish to edit, click on it. Doing so will bring you to a new page filled with various fields and options. This is the product editing page, where you have the ability to modify just about every aspect of your product's profile. On this page, you'll notice sections for the product title, description, images or media, pricing details, and other product-specific information. The first thing you might want to change could be the product title. This is crucial, as it's one of the first things your customers will see, and it should be both descriptive and appealing. Click into the title field and make any adjustments you see fit. Be sure that it accurately reflects the product in a way that's clear and concise. Next, shift your attention to the product description. This is your opportunity to really sell the product's features and benefits. You can add details about the materials, dimensions, or care instructions. Make sure the description is engaging and provides value to the potential buyer. Don't be afraid to highlight unique selling points and keep the language accessible and easy to understand. Images or media are next on our list. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so ensure the media accurately represents your product. You can upload new images or rearrange the order to better suit how you want your customers to view the product. High-quality visuals are key to captivating your audience, so use clear, professional images whenever possible. Pricing is another critical aspect you can adjust on this page. Make sure the price reflects the value you're providing and is competitive within your market. If you're running any promotions, you can also handle that from here to ensure everything aligns with your sales strategy. Once you've made all your changes, be sure to save. You can find the Save button typically at the top or bottom of the page. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your product page on Shopify. Always double-check your edits to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it before heading back to the main dashboard. Now you're ready to continue growing your online store with updated, fresh, and compelling product pages.